Yo, good morning. Good morning. Just having a look at the charts now. Got a wet patch here. Well, that's funny. Okay.
Festival season, so great when you've got Boxy Mobile's unlimited data for social media.
Because you can see everyone's festival snaps and feel like you're there, even though you're not there.
Yeah, and it's only a tenner.
Unlimited data for social media on Boxy Mobile. Selected social apps in UK, T&Cs apply.
Oh shoot, I missed that trade. Ah. That would have been break even so fast. That's relatively annoying. When did I start the stream? Oh, it was late. It's too late for that anyway. Price coming to these highs gave a reaction. I expected to come down, fill this fair value gap or whatever you want to call it, then keep going higher. On this trade, you would have been break even anyway, to be fair. But we haven't even swept any of this. We had build up, expansion, created a high near that zone, left the supply zone at the high where people are going to think to sell from. Now we'll come back, induce this, and then come down and take this build up channel here just to push it higher. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm just looking back on the stream. I already missed it. I was on the stream at 7:32. This was at 7:26. Just a little too late. Okay, that happens. It literally happens. That's why you had this. Japan's Prime Minister Ishiba-san As shared strong sense of crisis with former Prime Minister, but did not want to discuss my resignation at all at 7:29, which is probably the 29. Well, then and then pull back up. So that makes a lot of sense. Japanese people are so interesting with how they do things. A lot of it isn't really logical. Almost has a sneeze fit then. Wow.
Now it's even easier to sell for free on eBay. I was thinking, maybe I should sell.
Thank
that
you,
juice on
eBay.
Instagram.
We're in a bit of a chop here also. I need price to either drop at 8 o'clock to take Frankfurt low, to then go bullish and try and take these higher zones. Or the only other thing that we could really do, because this is tapping gave reaction anyway, unless at around 8 o'clock it comes down to this demand zone here, and then you could potentially take a buy. That's another possibility. Seems like it's gonna have to be another day of absolute patience. Yo, 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 yo. Hello, 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 hello. Yo, 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 yo. Hello, 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 hello. I'm just testing the microphone to see if it peaks or not. I just want it to be like right on the limit of peaking and not actually peak. But this seems like it's absolutely perfect. It doesn't seem like it's that bad at all because it's just right near the top but not actually on the top. So that's fine. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Yeah, price come down. That's coming back up again to take that zone. Could I have taken it from here? That could have been a continuation, but I don't like taking continuations if I've missed the initial trade because you're not guaranteed to always go in that direction. That's why it's one of those things where it's a bit like, oh, you need to be careful. And now I'm just trying to think, would it have been viable, you know? I don't know. I really don't know. When I feel like in that state of I'm not too sure, I don't like taking trades. I'm happy to just sit and wait if I'm not completely sure. Otherwise, you're just putting yourself at risk as a trader, innit? If you're not really even sure about the trades, if it's worth it or not. Yeah, blasted through that zone. Magnificent. Would have been good if I was in there, but nope. Okay, price has gone all the way higher. Now I might want to come to take these highs and then potentially respect this zone or take this zone as well and then sell from there. So then you could say that traders might want to start trading from here. Or even here. And if this were to break this high, then you could go break even on there too. So if this low comes and breaks this high, there's another break even. We literally went from 98.94 to 97.3, so we dropped a lot. 1.6 drop in 3 days. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday was the rejection. I'd wanted to break these highs, go break even. So yeah, basically I didn't take this because I missed the initial trade. With the initial trades, the higher probability to go break even quick that it was. It allows you to then put the next risk into the continuation.
Introducing an award-winning app from Rwanda. Voting.
So keep looking for the next potential opportunity. I'm thinking we might get a potential opportunity for a possible short. Because we've taken these highs. They've had a reaction, but no. I don't think that'd be a good idea actually. See, on this trade, you could have gone break even here if you wanted to be a bit risky. I personally would have just taken risk off of the trade. I would have done that. Personally, I wouldn't have done that because I don't know. It seems a bit. So yeah, you could have gone literally break even. Yeah, here comes taps in here, then broke it. So you could have gone break even here, or if you wanted to be like more safer about it, break even here after you broke this high. I need to try and make early and come up on stream for like 7:15, just so I can try and make it on time, just a bit earlier, so I can catch some of these early moves in Frankfurt. Should have been tagged at break even there on the second trade on GBPCHF. See, the reason I didn't short this was it just looked suspicious. Take one high, two high, and then it just gave a reaction straight away, and then look what happened, price carried on going bullish and then took that zone. Plus this low didn't break that low anyway. Yeah, structure there's telling you as well. Structure is that it's still not a good time to go for it. I still kind of need to exercise patience on that one, on that trade. Assalamu alaikum Habibi. So I was just like 10 minutes late on this one trade, bro, but it looks like it would have gone to break even anyway, and there was a continuation here too, but I'm just looking at price in it. I would have got tugged at break even if I took that. Assalamu alaikum, Sabah al khair. I laugh if price now runs up, yeah, after it would have eventually taken that zone, but it makes sense because you've got a build up here, a build up here. If you induce higher than you break structure tapping, you can attack this zone, and you got an invalid supply there also. Did you take any trades today? La, I was gonna take this trade, but I was too late. The trade entry was at 7:28. So 7:28. I got on the stream at 7:34 or 36. I was on the stream, so I'm just looking for an opportunity. I wanted too long, but it touched this zone, so I have to wait. Broke that zone. Completely right about it. I want to short, but probably EU after it takes this supply zone, because I think this is going to be invalid. I feel like this is going to be an invalid zone. I think after we take this zone, tap into this supply over here, then mumkin, maybe we can short from over here, for example. Maybe we can short from here. There's a possibility, but I'm not sure. But I want to see price come into this zone and then have a look. But I was actually looking to long it, so I've actually marked here that I wanted to long it. But then, you know what happened here? The president's resigned in it at 7:29. Hence why you got 1, 2, 3 big bearish candles. That was the Japanese presidency. I'm gonna resign. I think he lost elections or something like that, and that's why. Yep, he lost and Governor Bay and just talking. You can check in financial to see what he said. Nothing crazy, but sound like a little dovish to me. I'm not gonna really look too much because the yen's not that important in it. If you, oh wow, so GU's just taken Asia high where you had like a few. I'm going maybe something. No, it's on the M15, isn't it? Yeah, 1 high. 2 high, 3 high, 4 high, 5 high, 5 relatively equal highs. Prices just come taking that zone. We got a supply zone just above it. This looks good for a short, man. So if I took this trade, I would have been break even anyway. No money made, no money lost. But now let's look on the M1. If we get a break to the upside, I might long Bashy CHF. We will see though. Okay, price tapped into the zone. Add gold to the. If you want me to look at gold, I will. Where can I put gold? I might just do 6 screen view. 6. 6. Yeah, there. So eurusd, gbpUSD, gbpchf, gbp yen, XAUUSD. I go on the 2 minute for gold, and then DXY. Go 1 day. Maximize that. Go M15 for gold because all you guys use M15 in it. There. Is that better? Are you happy now? Very happy. You've got DXY on the daily there. You've got your gold here. The happy days. Let me just, yeah, that's better. I'm gonna just do this as well. Just so you know where the high and the low is. Oh, that's easy. Long into here, and then maybe from here sell. Okay, reacting from here. Why has this chart got no indicator on it? How do you add the indicator? There you go. Looks like the settings are saved, but what about the... I don't see no grey on this, but it's fine, it doesn't matter too much. So see how GU is continuing to go up, yeah? It's because GU wants to go to this supply zone. Ah. I'm expecting this zone to fail, as I said, because prices tapped in, gave a reaction. That's a zone where sellers are going to come in and think, oh, Habibi, look at the supply zone is holding, Habibi, yalla, short, YOLO, USD, Habibi, yalla, short it, Habibi. And then I'm going to say, la, this is wrong. I'm going to say, ya Habibi, antawa ahmak. And one of the guys I know longed from 7342. 7342. So he would have longed. Eight o'clock. It's already started. Hence why there's 8 o'clock. You had 1, 2, 3. Frankfurt's at 7 o'clock. London's at 8. But with my strategy, like sometimes you can trade Frankfurt, but you have to be careful because normally London takes out Frankfurt. So for example, this is Frankfurt low, this is Frankfurt high, London took Frankfurt low. And then on here, here's Frankfurt low, but then it just kept going. Now it tapped into supply, now we should take Frankfurt low. Okay, look what happened. We took the zone and then we tapped into the supply. Shukran. So he longed it, yeah, from. So he longed from here. Why did he long from there? Probably because you had the Asia low taken, build up expansion outside of it. Then you had lower high, led to lower low, led to lower high, led to high low, led to breaking structure there, led to high low, that led to break a structure here, price tapped into here, then it broke structure again. So that's why he longed it, but he longed it from here. So his SL was how big? 7342. So his SL was like probably 4 pips. Yeah, you suppose you could. Yeah, he's got fast TP then, hasn't he? Basically, I know a guy who trades, who's a mentor in it, but he's Italian and he trades the same way I do. He took a trade in EURUSD longs. I was just looking at his trade. Yeah, it's a good trade, man. Okay, so now have we taken... Okay, we've taken London. We've taken the middle of Asia on gold now. I would normally short here, but with gold, I don't sell. I do not sell gold. I think you're Majnoon if you're trying to sell gold. Why are you selling something that's only going like this? It's like the man when he sees his Habibti and he goes like this. Astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. You never, you know, gold is the same. Soul is like this. Oh. I'll go to that in it. So now that we're coming into these zones, we can start getting ready for a potential sell on this. If I take an EU and GU, I'll split the risk on both. Split the risk and trade both, sorry. Okay, high, low, high, 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 low. Tapped into the zone now. And then on the M5, we've got this zone here. Yeah, I don't know how to explain it, man. But you know, Waqar Asim. I trade the same way Waqar Asim trades, but he only trades like once, twice a month because he waits for the absolute A+ setups because I don't think he's that good of a trader. Whereas I trade his basic strategy, but I trade it on the M1 day to day. Whereas he will take just 1 or 2 or 3 trades in the month, the A+. I'll take the A+, and maybe the B+. So with his strategy, he's really like strict on supply demand. With me, I'm not so strict on it. I'm more strict on sweeping liquidity and time window, if that makes sense. But basically the same thing, you know. Okay, so you've come to Asia midline. Is there any? Okay, so now we've swept these lows. So now I would like to see a reaction. We've got resistance zone there, 1 there, 2 there. We got supply zone there. We got liquidity there. We took this here as well. I'm expecting GBPCHF to go for buys. I'm really expecting GBPCHF to go for buys. Oh, look, this zone might fail also. Maybe because GU wants to go deeper into this supply zone, that's why. So this supply zone is a bigger time frame supply zone. It's a M15. No, 30-minute supply zone. But it's an important one because it's a supply zone that led to this structure being broken, and then this is kind of like an important supply zone. So I thought, yalla, prices got 1, 2, 3, 4 equal highs, and then it makes sense London's going to take the highs, tap into the supply zone, and if we get confirmation, yani we can sell. And I've got 2 zones where Majnoon people, where Ghab people are gonna say, yeah, we take along, bro. Yeah, we take along, bro. Look, bro, we got demand here, bro. Look, bro, we got demand here, bro. We're gonna take the high, bro. We're gonna make the buy, bro. And I'm gonna say, yani, Anta Ahmak. So I'm gonna sell into that zone, and that zone should fail. Okay, that's fine that it's taking this zone, no problem. So we've taken this zone here. Asia high there as well, so we just wait. High low, high high, high low, high high, high low. Okay, I think we're getting a bit of a shift on this, maybe. Have we taken these lows? No, I inverted fair value gaps is ICT. That's ICT type of thing. Actually, so I don't have anything like ICT. I don't trade anything like it. But you know, my friend AD98, Alan, he trades these sorts of things. You know, with M1, yeah, basically all you have to do is look at where is the zones where people are gonna be taking trades from. So you have Sabr and you wait for the zone. Like for example here, people are gonna say we're gonna short from this M5 supply, but there's a build up here of liquidity. So the price is gonna come take the high, tap into this, take this liquidity to come down. Or you've got this zone here that people are gonna say is the Asia high. 15-minute supply that took all of this out. So people are going to short from here, they're going to short from here. Whereas for me, all I'm thinking is we've had a build up of orders here that has been taken. We've got a little channel build up here that's been taken. And now if we get confirmation, I can trade up to this zone, take partials. Up to this zone, take partials. And then see what happens from there. Okay, there we go. So high low, high high, high low, going to make a higher high. Has Euro got anything above to take? Not really, no. Alhamdulillah, it's okay, bro. For me it works, so I don't really care. No, for me it works. I met someone the other day and they're like, oh bro, teach me how to trade. I was like, no way. No way. This is not the job I want people to do, Yani. It's too difficult. It's not easy to trade. It's volatile. Yeah, it is. But not so much in London right now. Yani, we've moved 22 pips in 20 minutes. That's not a lot for GJ. We had a big move here, innit, because of when the guy, when the president said Prime Minister said I'm gonna resign. Yeah, right. We're at 50% of the supply zone. From here, I'd like to see a reaction, and then we can sell, inshallah. And then we even got this zone here where people might want to take longs. As long as you don't touch this zone first before we try to sell, it's okay. If you touch that zone first, then we can't sell. Yeah, break this high, come respect this low, and then we can take along. Yalla, yalla, yalla. دقيقة.
In Vodafone's summer sale, get our unlimited plus plan for only £24 per month. That's a £216 saving. Hurry, offer ends 31st of July. Go in-store or search...
Yeah, shut up, man, with your Vodafone, innit? No one cares. So don't understand why yen perceived PM as a positive. I think it's because he's resigned because he's lost the elections or whatever, so he's not causing problem. I think you know, you have to look at it like what's good for the yen. Yeah, a prime minister losing, but if he says I'm not gonna resign, I'm not gonna do this, then it's a problem. If he says yalla, I resign, no problem, I lost the case, bring him now, I think that's good, isn't it? It's not bad. You see what I mean? Okay, price wants to go even higher into this zone, so it doesn't want to touch any demand zone for me to take the trade. Oh, wait a second. Ah, this is interesting. Yeah, of course. Yeah. It's not like the UK where the people are majnoon and they do like all the fighting and all the khara things. You know, the Japanese are a lot more sensible. They're much more sensible, much more respectful, you know, in this type of thing. Okay, so we've taken, let's go to M2, high, low, low to high, high, low to high, low, low to higher, high. So that's the low on M2. Then if we look at M1, high, low, high, high, low, high, high. Yeah, that's the same low. That's the same low. The yen's a bit... Gold's taken the high and then started to give a reaction. I did say I would have took a long up to here. Would it have given an entry? Let's have a look. Would gold have given an entry? So where's 7 o'clock? 7 o'clock is here. So build up. There's no entry to long gold. Yeah, there's no entry to long gold. Okay, we broke structure here. Okay, we touched that demand zone. I don't like it. Yeah, this zone right here. I hate when it breaks structure and it touches a zone like this. It just doesn't make it good, because then you get people that you want to take longs in, and I don't like that. You got in at gold 3401. Oh, 01, that's all the way down here. Yeah, it broke this low zone, retested there. Yeah, I suppose so. Gold doesn't really do pullbacks though, really, does it? It just does Assalamu alaikum and then it just goes. You know the memes. Assalamu alaikum. M15, yeah. Yalla, come to M1, Ahi. I'll show you how to make an M1 on gold. And then you'll be like, You know how, was it Saudi or was it Emirat, where when they bring Trump, they make the women do with the hair like, you know, like that. That was so bad, wallah. I hate when price actions like this, because it doesn't give a trade. It doesn't give an entry. If gold did pull back, I'd be a millionaire now. Yeah. But the thing is, if gold did pull back, people say, yeah, buy it. But normally when gold does a pullback, sometimes it doesn't do a pullback. It's coming, and then it's, oh, Khudafiz, Salama. Then it's going. Coming, going. I shall exercise my fifth ammonia. Ammonia? What the hell is ammonia, Aki? Ammonia, what the hell? Okay, stop here, yeah? You don't get any higher. You stay here and make a sell, yalla. Oh, Alan wanted me to ring him. I'm gonna let Alan sleep because he was online so late. Oh, he's awake. Right then, let's look. Okay, gbpjpy still looking strong. Now we're consolidating here. Price is tapped into this zone here. If it breaks this zone, it's likely that it could still go higher. Unless if we tap this supply zone and we respect it, and then we come down and we break the low, then it's okay. Then it's okay. But only in that situation. Look at it. Oh my god, Aquafund is giving free accounts away. Oh, I think it's late now. I think it's too late now. Are they giving free accounts away, man? What the hell? That's not making sense. Bashy, I'm head out now. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, thanks for coming, bro. Assalamu alaikum. Inshallah. Inshallah, we all hit TP. Shukran. Peace out, peace out. Let's go back to 5-page view then. We're at 8:35 now, so something might happen now. reason I didn't class that as a break of structure is because look what happened. It wicked and then it pulled all the way back up again. If it had like a strong body close, I wouldn't mind, but because it wicked and all the way back up again. Look at these candles, wick to the low, wick to the low, wick to the low, wick to the low. Still looks like, just from candlestick, and that to me looks like it still wants to go bullish. So I'm a bit against that. Now I'd want to see this low break actually. This actually might be better. The only concern I have here is EU still hasn't taken this zone. And we still haven't broken that zone either. See, look, we're still here, hovering here. Yes, Alan, what are you saying? I want to short GU, but EU's in a zone where it's like a demand zone in it, so I need to see EU take this zone. Ah, you got this zone here as well in it, fuck's sake. So EU's broke it now. I'd like to see EU come back up, so higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, lower, high, lower, low. I'd like to see EU come up into this zone and then react, and then same thing with this. But the only problem is we're in a demand zone, and if it happens, I can't sort of short it from it in case this zone is just giving a reaction. Tapped into the zone. Tapped in, gave a reaction. Yeah, I don't know. And we've got 1, 2, 3 equal highs here. Normally price wants to come take these highs, maybe tap the order block to go down further in it, so it's a bit sketchy, man. Bit sketchy, my bro. Okay, I've got my zone marked out here on my phone then, so we just see what happens. So I've got zone. Okay, so it's taking this zone, that's brilliant. It's tapping into the zone, that's not brilliant. I'm still stuck in this here. Been nippy today, man. On the M2, showing that this was the higher low that got broken, but I didn't like how it looked on there, innit? Because it's just a wick, so that was better. You can short it from this tiny supply zone, but I don't trust it because it's just tapped into this zone. So now I can't short it from here either, because it's a demand zone in it. So it's easy for price to just do this in it. High low, high high, high low, high high, high low, low high. Tap into this demand zone that caused this big move anyway, and then everyone's gonna be like, oh yeah, we'll short from here because you're breaking structure to the downside, and then just taps in there, gives them a reaction, or it just even whacks through them. So if this did this, then we could do this, but it didn't. It did this. So yeah, stupid demand zone. Oh no. Oh, you have to leave HTTP in there, innit? For it to right, okay, 1 second. It's the hyperlink, innit? And then you got Instagram as well, which was, what was the HTTP for that? Yeah, that wasn't it. Yeah, that's better. Now you got the HTTP links in there. Right, sorry I was messing about with that, Alan. I was just trying to sort this out and get the links and stuff in the thingy, innit? So now if you click him, you can go to my Instagram and stuff like that as well. For like the people who come. And I put it in my pinned messages too. Right, so look what's happening here. Price come down, lower high, low high, lower low, lower high, higher low, made a high because it broke that high. This is what I was waiting, innit? It's even close to this zone. Price action's being crap again, bro. Look. Price action's been dead again still. Proper dead. hour on GJ Open, if only got a 22 pip move. Now the 16 pip move on GBPCHF in an hour, which ain't too bad. And we've had a 16.3 pip move on GU in an hour. For EU, 19 pip move in an hour. 19 pip in an hour actually isn't that bad. What's the weather like in Money, Alan? Hmm. Yeah, looks like she touched it. Looks like it touched it. So yeah. Now we're gonna see if this supply zone holds or not. If it fails, there's another reason I protected myself. I prefer it to fail so I know that I'm on the right side of being patient and stuff. ACG would attack the zone now, but I'm just looking, would it blast through it or what? I got a feeling it'd blast through. Hovering around that zone, isn't it? How do you... I want to zoom, like make the numbers bigger on the chart because it's so small I can't even see the numbers of the price. No, it doesn't show it. This is hovering around here, that's a bit scary, isn't it? They're tapped into this zone here now. Price is hovering around that zone. It's a bit risky. Normally, if this is the right zone, price will come down. You'll hover for like a few minutes, but you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes. There you go. Yeah, zone top. There you go. I was gonna say that's a lot of time to spend in that zone. It should be a quick reaction, to be fair, after a few moments. It's annoying when it does it because you can't even flex to buys because the demand zones are getting missed. It's just rallying anyway, so it's so tricky. So tricky. I don't mind sitting on my hands and waiting, so that's okay. Is there an entry on here? So it would have been after it's broken these highs here, so this. Oh, it would have been missed anyway. Unless it literally tagged it perfectly, but I don't know how likely that is to happen really. Let's see. Maybe at 9:30 price wants to induce this supply zone and then come down. That's also a possibility. Okay, we've taken this zone now. I did actually want that zone to get taken earlier. I'm glad it's done that now. We've done a build up inducement of that to the low side. Get rid of that. Have we got any supply zones? Yeah. Set that one there. Let's clear the chart a bit in it, it's a bit messy. Keep them. That we can keep. That we can ignore. That we can keep. That we can keep. That we can keep. Oh. Wants to build up on both sides again. I'm gonna play some different music, man. Even if it's for a little bit, I'm getting bored of this playlist. There's been no updates on anything else so far. Nothing at all. Hang on. Ooh, this is a banger. Any trades? Nah, bro. Price action's horrendous, bro. Look at GJ's absolute dog. Um, I might take a trade depending how price reacts in this zone over here. This zone might not be valid. It might be a valid zone for a supply for shorts. We're at 9:30 now, innit? So for me, 9:30 is one of those time zones. I wanted to short GU. It was valid until it tapped this zone. EU, obviously, it would have given an entry, but EU was in this zone here, innit? So I was a bit skeptical about it. So I didn't take it. And then we had the build up here. So build up sweep, broke structure here. So it's going to be interesting to see if this zone holds or not for buys. Because we just tapped the supply zone as well. You know, it's annoying, yeah, because if I'm looking for a buy, I can't take a buy after price has tapped the supply. And if I'm looking for a sell, I can't take a sell from a supply if price has tapped demand because they could just continue to make structure in it. So they're like my invalidation criteria in it. It's good and bad. It's good because it protects you from losses, but it's bad because sometimes you can't get into that trade. But obviously, I think it's the case more times often. It protects you, I think, more times often. So it's just having to be patient. So yeah, nothing at the moment, man. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 highs over here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4 highs. So that's all, to be honest, Alan. Just waiting for something in it. But you know what? I think, because yesterday we had a big day. Today's actually dead, like full on dead. So I think yesterday was obviously one of the probably why today. to see if I get settled. Yeah, me too. I'll call you in it. I'll just mute my mic and I'll call you because I'm bored anyway, man. Unless you're busy. This is a banger as well. This track's hard, you know. This track's proper hard. Proper hard. This track is so hard. See, even on this, bro, it didn't even low high low 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 high. Let's go back to that playlist. Oops. Oh wait, there's an entry here. Typical. Absolutely typical. You don't look for 2 seconds, then you just miss an entry, man. And then that would have been 10 off because it would have been what, 15 something? 15.5. Break even order up and right there. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Yeah, actually there's also one here. I should have paid attention to that. That was completely my fault, man. I literally wasn't paying attention because I thought the time and stuff, that price isn't going to do anything. Right, I'm gonna end the stream there then. Basically there's nothing to really do on this. When you look at it, it's just a bit of a shambles to say the least. I'm gonna drag this over to about 12:30, 1 o'clock. I'm gonna hit 14 on there, so you can look at the 14-minute time frame. But with this, yeah, it's just not looking good at all, is it?
Festival season, so great when you've got Boxy Mobile's unlimited data for social media.
Because you can see everyone's festival snaps and feel like you're there.
YouTube's annoying. I feel like this is gonna go all the way to Thursday, to be fair. So I'm just gonna drag that over to Thursday. There we go. I'll stay on 10 minutes actually. 10 minutes might be just a little bit better. Yeah. And this. Let's get rid of that. On this one, we probably would have got partials actually about 10, 11, 12 pips. Yeah, it's fine, doesn't really matter. I've kind of given up with this now anyway. We're going into Thursday there, and then probably going to about 4 o'clock on here. And then with this, probably the same, about 4 o'clock. Yeah guys, that's basically me done then. Thanks for Alan and Ali for coming to the stream and stuff. If you're watching this back or you just joined, sorry, I'm just closing the stream now. Have a great day, take it easy, and yeah, peace out.